Hey everyone, welcome to the Digital Dutta AI especially and AI automation channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about best way to host the n8n on a cloud. If you go with n8n plans, right, it is quite expensive. So how you can basically self-host into the different platforms is very cheap platform which I have found, which is railway.com. How exactly you can do that? What is the step-by-step process and how you can create like this same n8n workflows on the railway application? Let me show you how exactly. Let's go one by one. First of all, best thing is guys, all the documentation I have already given you on my Skool, so you can join if you want to. All the instructions, step-by-step instruction, what you need to do. So we'll follow the instruction. You need to go to this, and if you don't have any account, you can use your GitHub account recommended if you already have it, right? So click on sign in. If you have already a GitHub account, you can use that. You can use login with Git. With the Gmail also. So I'm going to use my email ID right now, which is this, right? Click on continue and it will basically ask me for verification and everything. So I will do the same process. So this is the new terms and conditions. Definitely I will agree. Nothing you need. I'm not a crypto miner. I'm not a user bot and everything. I will not employ any of that, right? Nothing I need to do. Now you need to go to the template section. Here, if you go to template section, you will find there are a lot of templates which are pre-made templates which are available for you. Okay, so here if you open your email also, I am pretty much sure you must have got email from the railways also that welcome abroad, visit the dashboard. You can use deploy by using template also. So that's again same thing you can use. Here you will find the most popular n8n, which is again the most popular one. People are using it. So powerful workflow, 92% success on the deployments, which means a couple of people are facing issues, but again for us I think it is working absolutely fine. So we will before that you can see I have a limited trial plan, which is 5 credits, $5 credit they automatically give you for this. Okay, so you can upgrade plan or view the upgrade options. Right here you can see I can upgrade myself into the $5 minimum, which I think it's a good one. So I will just use the deployment option. I'm going to use my card now, so I'm going to stop the share for a few seconds. So as you can see, payment is done. So I have added the again $5 just for references. Okay, now I'm going to move back to the my templates again. To $5 credit I have basically added just for that most popular ones. n8 workers, I want to deploy this, right? Click on deploy now. Do you want to configure anything? No, actually nothing. Everything will be same. We don't want to change anything. No variables we want to change. Do you want to change anything? No, nothing we want to change. We will keep as it is. Everything configured. We'll click on deploy. That's it. It's a one click. So they have charged $5 for us. It means our trial has started. So creating an environment, of course, it will take little time. It will now start fetching all the resources. It will start creating for us. So it is applying the changes, as you can see in the activity also. So here in the right hand side, you will see the activities, how it is installing and everything. So the moment it installed, by the way, just to let you know, if it installed, you will see this. It will basically give you this kind of a URL, which is a unique URL for you. It will be a very unique URL for you. Automatically it will be given to you. Okay, so here let me see. So it is working right now, applying the changes. It will take time, guys. It will take time. So you can check the observability meanwhile what is going on. So this is the name of the n8n instance that we have, which is tender responsibility. You can check the logs also, what is going on, what exactly we are installing, right? So here you can check the logs and everything. You can change the name of the project. If you want to usage also, you can check how much of usage is there, right, which we are using. What are the environment variables we have, usages. It takes time. Sometimes it takes little work. Okay, so let it do the magic meanwhile. Okay, so we'll move back to this page and we'll click on this. Okay, applying the changes. We'll fetch more. We'll see what is the update right now for us. Is it upload done or not? So workers, if you see, there is no active deployment to this service. So basically means we are still doing it. So Postgres database is basically getting created. So let it create. We'll pause the video and we'll come back. All right. So if you can see, our Postgres is done. Requested variables and everything is done. Worker is done. Everything is done. You can see that. In the variable section, you will see an option of web URL automatically, which will give you the URL where the n8n is already installed. So if you open that URL, this is the first time login. So I'm just creating a username. This is my n8n on railway. So I'm going to use this ID again. It depends on you. Pramod Dutta and password. I'm going to use a very simple password which I generally use because I will be deleting this instance after this demo. Okay. So this is the first time when you basically open the n8n. By the way, I have already created one of the instances. This is the second instance that I have created. Right. So this will create it. It will ask for your verification. Again, you can do that again. So now actually n8n is ready to use. You can directly use it into your projects. Okay. So whatever the project that you want to create, you can directly use it now. I'm going to show you also how exactly you can create create a project also in this case. Okay, it is taking time. Let it wait, let it do the magic. Okay, so it is done. You can fill this information again. It's software, how you want to use it. I just select something random. We don't need this. If you want some couple of extra features, I would recommend you to send me the license. Don't skip it. It's a good one, guys. It's a good one. You will get a license. You need to just verify. Okay, by the way, your n8n is ready to use. You will get an email. Activate the license directly. Click on here and it will activate the license for you, and that's a good sign. That's a good sign. So it means it has activated. Everything is good. You will get a message also. Now directly you can use the n8n directly, which is installed into this machine. You can change the URL also. If you go to the website, in these settings, you can change the URLs if you want, sir. Generate a domain name. You want generate a domain name, so it will generate your domain name and everything. You can attach your custom domain also, right? Whatever you want. So this is one of the domain name that we have. You can create some of the templates also, right? So let me show you one of the basic template. For example, on chat trigger, I want so whenever a chat triggers, I want to call a AI agent. So AI agent I want to call, right? And this AI agent will just say, you are a helpful agent, just say hello. This is a prompt, by the way, we are using. Okay, and the chat model, we are going to use DeepSeek. I have already have the DeepSeek, so you have to set the credentials of DeepSeek. Make sure that you already have a DeepSeek credentials. You can go to the website of platform.com DeepSeek. If you are using ChatGPT, you can use platform.app, whatever the API, whatever that you have. For example, this is demo that I'm creating in front of you. This is one of the API that I have already used. You can go to platform.deepspeak and you just have to add the balance also, right? Make sure that you add a balance, which is important, by the way. Okay, so in the usage, I have already added $10, so I can use it. So yes, here add a DeepSeek, click on save. That's it, credentials created. Voila, everything is good, right? Open the chat. Hi, I am Pramod. I am Pramod. Just click on yes, and this will run the AI agent. Again, it's a basic agent that we have created. It's like a hello world of agent. Okay, so it will basically pass whatever the chat input you are getting to DeepSeek, and DeepSeek will say how I can assist. Right, so you can further do chatting with this. Right, exactly. So what is DeepSeek, right? You can ask further question. It's like an agent which can basically get everything detailed from the DeepSeek API and give you the details. So it will basically give you what are the DeepSeek and everything. You can ask questions and everything. This is how you can install in $5. You have a running cheapest n8n into the machines, guys. It is one of the cheapest one, I think, right? Make sure you click on save. This is your first, so you can say 001 lecture. So learning lecture. This is like a learning lecture, by the way. Okay, so that we have basically created. You can add a tag also if you want to add a tag or anything. By the way, DeepSeek, it has given you some information what is a DeepSeek and everything. These are the output that you get. This is the basic n8n agent that we have created from scratch, and this is how you can best way to host. I think it is one of the best way. Another way you can use is elas.io. Again, the pricing is $15 per month, which is again not cheap according to me, right? It is $15 per month, which I have seeded. This machine also, they also have the templates, pre-made templates they have. So if you go to their machine, similarly, same here also, you just need to download, and I have already discussed this on the channel. If you go to the Digital Dutta automation, guys, I'm pretty much sure. So here, Digital Dutta AI automation channel. Here I have also installed like how you can land the job. You can install here by using this. So this way, this is the by default one. I think I have taught how to get it right. Okay. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Enjoy.